Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about country music in the United States. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Let's begin. Did country music start in New York City? No. It started in the rural southern states of the U.S. Is Nashville, Tennessee important to country music? Yes, it's known as the home of country music. Was the Grand Ole Opry a famous country music TV show? No, it was a legendary radio show and live concert. Is country music only played with electric guitars and drums? No. Traditional country music also uses instruments like banjos and fiddles. Did Taylor Swift start her music career in country music? Yes, she began in country before moving into pop. Are country music lyrics mostly about fantasy stories? No, they usually focus on real life and emotions. Has country music stayed the same since the 1920s? No, it has evolved and mixed with other genres. Is storytelling a key part of country music? Yes. The lyrics often tell relatable and emotional stories. Is country music only popular in the U.S.? No, it has fans and influence around the world. Are all country songs sad and slow? No. Some are upbeat and fun, while others are emotional or serious. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce what you've learned, and don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next exciting episode in this wonderful series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.